If you want to plan your social media content effectively, you need to start thinking in campaigns, not just calendars. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, quickly and efficiently. First, let's talk about why a campaign-based approach is better. When you focus only on the calendar, you're just filling in empty slots. That's not strategic. A campaign allows you to align your content around a common goal, whether it's a product launch, a holiday special, or an awareness drive. It gives your content purpose, and that's key to capturing attention. The first step is to define the overall goal of the campaign. What are you trying to achieve? Is it increasing brand awareness, generating leads, or driving traffic to a product page? Once you've defined your objective, everything else will fall into place. You'll know exactly what kind of content you need, how it should be positioned, and where it should go. Now, think about your audience. Who are you talking to? Tailoring your content to speak directly to the pain points and interests of your target audience is critical. If your campaign is targeting people who are new to your product or service, your content might need to be more educational. But if it's targeting your existing customers, you can dive deeper into benefits and advanced features. Next, break the campaign down into phases. You don't need to post everything at once. For example, a typical campaign might start with teaser content, then move into a launch phase, followed by post-launch follow-ups. Each phase will have its own specific content type. Teasers could be behind-the-scenes footage, launch could feature product demos, and post-launch might include customer testimonials or success stories. This keeps things fresh and engages your audience in a structured way. Now, let's talk about content formats. Mix it up. You don't want every post to be the same thing. Use a combination of images, videos, blogs, and interactive posts like polls or quizzes. This helps maintain engagement and caters to different types of users. Some like reading, some like videos, others enjoy quick polls. Once you've created your content, schedule it. But here's the trick. Don't just schedule posts based on the calendar. Use the campaign's phases to guide when content should go live. For example, your teaser post should go up before the main product launch, and follow-up posts should happen after. Aligning your content with the phases of your campaign helps you keep a steady stream of relevant content in front of your audience. Before you go ahead and hit publish, track your progress. Keep an eye on key metrics like engagement, click-through rates, and conversions. Campaigns are meant to drive specific results, so make sure you're measuring how well it's performing, and be ready to tweak your approach if something isn't working. I've tested some of the most popular tools out there for planning social media content, and I've found one that stands out. If you want to follow along with this approach, I've got an exclusive free trial for this software available in the description below, just for viewers of my channel. To wrap things up, here's your key takeaway. When you plan social media content by campaign, not just the calendar, you're aligning your content with clear, measurable goals. Define your campaign's objective, understand your audience, break it into phases, mix up content formats, and schedule accordingly. And don't forget to track your results. Lastly, make sure to grab your exclusive free trial using the link in the description below to start using this software yourself. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your campaigns.